So hey guys, welcome to this video. My name is Vinod and I am the founder of BSL India. In this video, I am going to walk you through how we help commercial real estate professionals turn leads into book calls, qualified opportunities and real pipeline using a complete acquisition system. You will see how we use instant notification, ad testing, lead qualification, CRM tracking, booking flow and follow-up to build a more predictable pipeline. So if you are a broker, syndicator or investment firm and you want to more qualified buyers, sellers, investors and book calls, watch this video till the end. Before we get into the breakdown, if you are still relying only on referral, cold outreach and random lead flow and you want a more predictable pipeline, for qualified CRE professionals, you can book a free strategy call with VSL Media. We'll look at your current lead flow, CRM, booking process, and follow-up system and show you where your pipeline is leaking. And now let's start with the data. So in this first image, we can see one of the most important part of the system, SMS in app and email notification instantly for every new opportunity. This means whenever a new lead comes in, whenever someone's book an appointment, or whenever someone replies in CRM, the team gets notified immediately. We can see email alert like new CRE investor lead John Smith, CRE investor appointment book Michael Brown, CRM response from David Wilson. Check now. And new CRE investor lead Sarah Johnson. On the right side, we also see SMS and in-app notification like, "Hey Andrew, you just got a new CRE investor lead, Mark Thompson. Hey Andrew, you just got a new investor sales opportunity, Capital Partners." We can also see appointment details with phone numbers, date and time. This matters because in CRE, speed is important. If a lead comes in and nobody follows up quickly, that lead can go cold. So the system makes sure every new lead appointment and reply in visible instantly. That way, no opportunity get missed. Now, the second image, we can see the early testing phase of the campaign and the top of the multiple CRE ad angles being tested: CRE Industrial 3, CRE Multifamily 8, CRE Logistics 7, CRE Investor Webinar 6, CRE Warehouse Deal 2, CRE Raising Capital 5, CRE Apartment Building 11, and CRE Property Investment 04. The campaign data shows 7 on Facebook leads, reach 631, frequency 1.10, cost per lead $3.55, and amount spent $24.83. So in just a few hours of testing, the campaign is already generating leads. But the important part is the new CRM pipeline below. And the stages included new lead, contacted, interested, called scheduled, qualified opportunities, under contract, and closed won. At the bottom of the pipeline report shows total 70 leads, open 67, won 3, lost 0, and win rate 4%. So the image shows that the campaign is not just generating lead, it is tracking those leads through a real pipeline. Now in the third image, we can see the qualification side of the system. Instead of only collecting names, email and phone numbers, the system collects deeper information like, are you a broker, syndicator or investment firm? What type of properties do you focus on? What is your currently monthly real estate income? What are your properties primarily located? When are you planning to acquire your new property? How much capital are you looking to raise? Are you currently working with a marketing agency? And have you raised capital for deal before? We can see example of prospects like a syndicator focused on industrial and logistics in Dallas, Texas, looking to raise $5 to $10 million. A syndicator focused on multifamily in Atlanta, GA, looking to raise $2 million to $5 million. And a broker focused on logistics, industrial and logistics in Houston, Texas, looking to raise under $2 million. This is important because not every lead is equal. Some are more qualified, some are earlier stage, some need nurturing, and some should move faster. That is why qualification help protect the client name first. Now the fourth image shows the full VSL media acquisition system. This is where everything connects together. The system starts with acquisition ad. Inside that we have Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, buyer and seller campaigns, and high intent lead offers. The job of these ads to bring attention the right commercial real estate audience, but ads alone are not enough. After the ad, traffic goes to a scary landing page. This is most important because we don't want to send people to a random website. A normal website has too many distractions, but a landing page has one clear goal: turn attention into an inquiry. After that, the lead enters a commercial lead conversion three-step funnel. This funnel collects important information and helps qualify the prospect. It helps to understand who they are, what they want, and whether they are serious. Then the lead goes into CRM automation. This is the backend engine. The CRM can trigger SMS, email, ping notifications, follow-up reminders, and pipeline tracking. Then the system moves toward automated follow-up and booked qualified calls. And this is the real goal, not just lead booked qualified calls. Because if a lead does not book, if the team does not follow up, or in the lead is not qualified, then the campaign is leaving money on the table. After that, we have the lead qualification team and pre-screening prospects. This helps filter out the people who are not serious, not ready, or not a good fit. Then the system can move serious prospect into qualified live transfers. And finally, the outcome is higher closing volume. So the full workflow is acquisition ads, CRE landing page, 3 steps funnel, CRM automations, follow-up, booked qualified calls, lead qualification, live transfers, higher closing volume. This is why this is not just a Facebook ad campaign, it's a complete CRE acquisition system. Ads create attention, funnels convert attention, ads create attention, funnels convert attention, CRM track every opportunity, follow-ups keep lead warm, and qualification improves the lead quality. Now the fifth image is we can see the 90 to 180 days strategy. The first stage is foundation. Here we launch qualified buyers and sellers and investor lead campaign while building trust and visibility. The second stage is growth. Here we nurture lead and retarget website visitors, video viewers, and previous lead through Meta, Google, and YouTube. The third stage is refinement. Here we collect lead data to create lookalike audience and reach more qualified CRE prospects. The fourth stage is excellence. Here we improve cost per lead, increase booked calls, optimized funnels, and scale consistent deal flow. So this is not just one-time campaign, it's a system designed to improve over 90 to 180 days. Now the sixth image shows sample ad creatives. The first ad is the multifamily sweet spot, 2 to 20 units. This speaks to investors interested in smaller multifamily opportunity. The second ad is 1031 property exchange investment. This ad focused on defer capital gains taxes. We invest in like-kind property and build property wealth. It also says accredited investors only. So the both ad use different investors angle. One focus on multifamily opportunity, the other focus on tax smart investing and 1031 exchange. This is why testing different creative matters. Different investors respond to different messages. Now the seventh image, we can see the pipeline optimization data. The headline says we optimize every stage of the pipeline and the message says better pipeline conversion than standard CI website. The table shows page views, opt-ins, sales, and earnings. The highlight section in opt-ins, we can see the numbers like 543 opt-ins at 20%, 25 opt-in at 21%, and 99 opt-in at 26%. This shows that we are not just driving traffic, we are improving the conversion process, because if people visit the page but not opt-in, the traffic is wasted. But when the page converts better, more visitors become leads, more leads enter the CRM, and more leads can become book calls. Now in the eighth image, we can see the thank you page and booking flow. That page shows thank you for your inquiry. Then it gives you the next step. Book your appointment now for the best options available for you. It also says get your free consultation slot as per your availability. There is a call now option and a calendar where the lead can choose the date and the time. This is most important because after someone submits a form, that is the hottest moment. They just showed interest. We want to move directly into the calendar. This page helps turn an inquiry into a book appointments. Now, this is the final image, shows the program values. This is what the client received from the system every month. The first value is minimum 15 to 30 qualified calls, booked appointment, live transfer every month. This means the goal is just not leads, the goal is real conversion, qualified calls, booked appointments, and live transfer. The second value is 70 to 100 high intent buyers and sellers and investor leads every month. So the system can support brokers and syndicators and investment firms. For broker, it can bring buyer and seller leads. For syndicator, it can bring investor leads. For firms, it can support investor pipeline and deal opportunities. The third value is automated funnels that turn incoming leads into book calls and deal opportunities. This helps move from inquiry to appointment. The fourth value is SMS email CRM nurture system for all leads with automated follow-up sequence. This keeps lead warm because not every prospect is ready today. Someone needs follow-up tomorrow, someone needs follow-up after a week, someone needs nurturing for months. The fifth value is full CRM access to manage leads, pipeline, appointments, and conversion into one place. This gives the client full visibility. They can see who booked, who replied, who needs to follow up, and who is still in the pipeline. The sixth value is 24/7 chat support and weekly sales improvement calls. So the system is not just launched and forgotten, it is reviewed and improved. The seventh value is paid ad optimization and campaign management with a dedicated team. This means campaigns are actively managed and optimized. The eighth value is dedicated lead qualification team to pre-screen prospects before they reach you. This saves time and improves call quality. The ninth value is reputation growth system via authority content plus trust building campaigns. This matters because CRE is trust-based. Authority content helps build credibility before the sales call. And the ninth value is reactivate campaign with previous leads or clients. This helps bring old opportunities back into the pipeline. So the final image shows that the system is not just Facebook ads, it includes lead generation, booked calls, light transfers, funnels, CRM nurture, campaign optimization, lead qualification, authority building, and reactivation. That's why this is a complete monthly acquisition system. So if you are a CRE broker, syndicator, or investment firm, and you want a system that brings in qualified leads, book calls, and real lead opportunities, booked a free strategy call with BSL Media. We'll show you where your current pipeline is leaking and how to turn more leads into qualified conversion and how to turn more leads into qualified conversions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.